Welcome to baby time.
Hello, my name is Miss Krissy. I'm from the Harris County Public Library System and Lone Star College Sci Fair. Welcome to baby time. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends from story time, we clap and sing hello. We hug and sing hello, we hug and sing hello. With our friends from story time, we hug and sing hello. We kiss and sing hello, mwah. We kiss and sing hello, mwah. With our friends from story time, we kiss and sing hello, mwah. We tickle and sing hello, tickle, tickle. We tickle and sing hello, tickle, tickle. With our friends from story time, we tickle and sing hello, tickle, 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 tickle. Good job. Today we have a story time about food. And our first one is going to be about popcorn, one of my favorite things to eat. So whenever we say pop, you're going to lift your baby into the air. Are you ready? 5 little kernels sitting in a pot. The grease got hot and one went pop. 4 little kernels sitting in a pot. The grease got hot and one went pop. 3 little kernels sizzling in a pot. The grease got hot and one went pop. 2 little kernels sizzling in a pot. The grease got hot and the pot went pop. 1 little kernel sizzling in the pot. The grease got hot and one went pop. No more kernels sizzling in a pot. Good job, Daisy. We have our story today, which is a recipe for how much I love you.
A recipe for how much I love you. Words by Danielle Cartes. It takes a lot of special ingredients to make a joyful life. We need 1/2 cup of togetherness, 2 heaping cups of love, just a pinch of courage, an appetite for adventure, a smidge of patience, a tablespoon of forgiveness, another heaping helping of love, a sprinkle of imagination. Some chocolate is always nice. 1 cup of willingness to make a mess. A ladle full of grace, an entire bowl of laughter, and plenty of snuggles. All that's left to add is you, my sweet. You're the sprinkles to my cupcake, the plums in my pudding. You, my darling, are the perfect recipe. I love you forever, plus 2 scoops for always. Our life and our love is wonderful simply because of you. Love you. Mwah.
Emmett's going to help us with this rhyme. Maybe. You be the ice cream, tickle, 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 tickle. And I'll be the freezer, big hug. You be the lemon, and I'll be the squeezer, hug. You be the hot dog, and I'll be the bun. You'll be the baby, and we'll have some fun. Tickle, 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 tickle. Good job, Emmett. Thanks for your help. Emmett's going to help with this one too. 5 fat peas in a pea pod pressed. 1 grew, 2 grew, so did all the rest. They grew and did not stop until one day the pod went pop. Good job. And you can do that as many times as you'd like to. Neither Daisy nor Emmett has a high chair, so we're going to use our imaginary high chair for this one. For sitting in a high chair. Sitting in a high chair, big chair, my chair. Sitting in a high chair, bang my spoon. Sitting in a high chair, big chair, my chair. Sitting in a high chair, feed me soon. Bring on a plate, bring on a cup. Mama's gonna fill this baby up. Bring on the bananas, bring on the bread. Mama's gonna get this baby fed. Sitting in a high chair, big chair, my chair. Sitting in a high chair, bang my spoon. Sitting in a high chair, big chair, my chair. Sitting in a high chair, feed me soon. Bring on the carrots, bring on the peas. Mama, come serve this baby, please. Bring on the pancakes stacked in a pile. Papa's gonna make this baby smile. Sitting in a high chair, big chair, my chair. Sitting in a high chair, bang my spoon. Sitting in a high chair, big chair, my chair. Sitting in a high chair, feed me soon. Bring on a napkin, bring on a sponge. Clean me up, 'cause I'm all done. Good job, Emmett. Good job, you guys. Ready for our ending song, Emmett? Where is baby? Peekaboo, where is baby? Peekaboo, 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 I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, toodaloo, coochie coo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you. Can you be in my arms for this one? Where is Emmett? Peekaboo, where is Emmett? Peekaboo, 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 I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, toodaloo, coochie coo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. And I love you guys too. I will see you guys next time at Baby Time. Bye. If you'd like to see more programs by our Kids Corner staff at Sci-Fair, please check out our LibGuides link. And hit the thumbs up button to like, and please share. I'll see you next time.